So we have with us Ramann, CMD, SIDBI. Hello, so welcome at the ET BFSI CXO Conclave. First things are happening physical after pandemic. What is your first reaction?
Oh, it's certainly good to see faces in real time. But I think what the pandemic has taught us are lessons that we will not forget. So I think ease of doing business is really one of the big ones. It's so much easier to get meetings done, but of course it's great to meet people physically and sort of see the body language. But it's great to be here.
Okay, great. Now you have a session, which is an opening session of our conclave today. Tell us about the session. What is the topic? What are the pointers that you will be probably highlighting in that?
So, I think ET has always been at the forefront of, what's happening, and it's the cutting edge. It's the best newspaper that we all read. What I really would like to bring forward in the conference is how all lending institutions, be they banks or NBFCs, have got onto the digital bandwagon. The set of digital tools that are now available, it is the public digital infrastructure that is being exploited so brilliantly. So we have a host of fintechs which are helping the banks are helping the customers to get money more quickly, and the sort of cream of all this is that the risks are probably lower because we have data available on a more real-time basis for us to do a better credit analysis as well as account monitoring. So, I think that's really where the banking system will be able to put through that much more credit, because risk monitoring is now better.
Okay, now you talk about the data. What I want to know is MSME sector reviving after post-pandemic? And the second thing, how at SIDBI you're utilizing data and AI and trying to elevate it? What are the action plans that you can share with us?
Right. So I think for one, we must recognize that a lot of small entities, and when I say small, it's really the micro level, they probably did suffer, and revival of those units is still in doubt. So I think that is a point that we need to recognize and try and help that segment as far as possible. The PM Swanidhi scheme was absolutely brilliant for the fact that it gave relief to that particular segment which was completely down and out. So that was good. And of course, the larger point going forward is we all need to use AI to be able to work on proxy data. So, the GST data, bank data is great for entities that are in that system. But when you're talking about nano and micro entities which are not in the GST system, how do you give loans to them? That's where behavioral tools start coming in, and AI is a great way to take that forward. So I think I'll see that development happening as we move forward.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing those insight, and probably I hope you enjoyed the rest of the session today. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.